So here is an up-close view of the GE XWFE Genuine GE refrigerator water filter. So over here it says it's easy to install and replace. It filters 50 plus impurities. And to replace it every 6 months. I do like to replace my water filters about every 5 months because we are a family of 7 and we drink a whole lot of water. So I replace them sooner than that. So here's the other side of it. Here's what the top looks like. There's a little bit of sediment in there. And this side, so it's twist, on, off, in, out. Pretty easy. Really good, high quality filter. And I do like to run a couple of gallons of water through to get all the sediment out before we drink it, and I just give that water to my plants.